Crypto is going mainstream and you can't put the genie back in the bottle, Bitwise says. Regulatory clarity would allow major financial institutions to fully build in crypto, the report said. The U.S. is on the verge of passing landmark crypto legislation, and if it succeeds, the impact could be profound, not only by unlocking growth, but by significantly reducing risk, asset manager Bitwise said in a report on Monday. The growth story is straightforward according to Bitwise. Regulatory clarity would empower major financial institutions, such as JPMorgan, JPM, BNY Mellon, BK, Nasdaq, NDAQ, to fully build in crypto, the report said. That means billions in new investment and a path to migrate trillions of traditional assets onto blockchain rails. The infrastructure is ready. It just needs Washington's go-ahead, according to the asset manager. This week the House of Representatives is voting on the Clarity Act, a crypto market structure bill, and the Genie Act, which regulates stablecoins in the U.S.Yesterday. The top Democrat of the Senate Agriculture Committee said the market structure bill needs serious changes. If these bills pass through Congress, you can't put the genie back in the bottle, wrote Matt Hogan, chief investment officer at Bitwise. The deeper, underappreciated shift will be in risk, wrote Hogan. Crypto's reputation has been battered by collapses including FTX, Terra/Luna, 3AC, Celsius, MTGOX. These weren't just failures of business models. They were failures of oversight. Without clear U.S. regulation, bad actors thrived in offshore shadows, and investors paid the price. Stronger laws wouldn't have prevented every scandal, but they would have stopped many, the report said. Bitwise notes that crypto's volatility and previous 70% plus drawdowns have kept institutions on the sidelines. If legislation eliminates the wildcard risk of offshore implosions, those extreme crashes may become far less frequent. And no, the political winds aren't likely to reverse, Bitwise said. The Genie Act passed the Senate 68-30, with bipartisan support including 18 Democrats. Wall Street wants in, and as major institutions deepen their crypto footprints, political support will only grow. When BlackRock, JPMorgan, and millions of Americans are invested, crypto becomes part of the system, too embedded to ignore, and too integral to unwind, the report added. Read more. Bitwise adds proof of reserves for Bitcoin, Ether ETFs. Will Canny is an experienced market reporter with a demonstrated history of working in the financial services industry. He's now covering the crypto beat as a finance reporter at CoinDesk. He owns more than $1,000 of SOL. AI Boost indicates a generative text tool, typically an AI chatbot, contributed to the article. In each and every case, the article was edited, fact-checked, and published by a human. Read more about CoinDesk's AI policy.